Let's fry milk fish or bangus. And this is second batch and also this first batch. This is only 1 kilogram. And this one I have to half fry also for my paksiw. Ito na yung ano, yung head fish of milk fish, and this one 5 pieces I have to cook for fish curry, and then yung iba ay ano, balik kakainin lang na ganyan. Then ito na yung aking pang ano, paksiw, yung ulo ng isda. Tapos merong 2 piraso na ano, yung buntot. So i-half fry ko ito. Let's saute now garlics. Now we can put now also these onions. Onions is already brown, so I'll already put these tomatoes. Now we can put this turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt. We have to wait these tomatoes become paste. I put also enough gravy here or soup for this fish curry. So it's already boiled, this gravy. Now we can add now this fried fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is enough only for our lunch. Now we can put now also toppings, coriander leaves. So this is already cooked. So next recipe for my head paksiw. And this is already fish curry. I already transferred here because I cook here also in the same casserole. So I saute garlics, onion, and ginger together. Now I will put now also this radish tubers organic with green chilies. I put enough gravy also for my paksiw. Now we can put now also this half fry head fish. And then meron ding 2 buntot. Now we can put also soy sauce. And also vinegar. Now we have to cover it. Already cooked my paksiw. This is milk fish or bangus head fish with tubers organic radish. Yan.